It's Saturday morning. It's 7:30, and I got a breeze. I got a pretty good breeze right now. Blowing probably, I don't know, 8, maybe gusting a little more. And I'm looking straight into the wind, so landing is going to be a challenge. I just did a range check. All systems are go, so I'm more nervous than I ever was for the Maiden, flying it after the repair job, but I think it's going to fly well. So far, so good. Turns, feels good. Slow it down. Trim's still good. Man. I have a 4000 Admiral 6 cell. The wind is pretty good up there. Whipping it around pretty well. Again, I apologize for being so high. Until I get things sorted out, and then I keep it up. Especially in these crosswinds. Man, these crosswinds here are about the worst for this field.
Timer stop. Timer start.
Today's going to be a southwest wind day.
Time remaining 6 minutes.
I probably should have flew up at Toth, but I hadn't been to the beach in so long. My wife didn't want to come today. Alright, let's see if we can get a touch
Timer
in.
stop.
Some flaps.
Timer start.
Ooh.
Timer stop.
Ooh! That was bad.
Timer start. Timer stop.
That was a nice one. I'm sure. I knew I bent this.
Flaps up. Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
Well,
Flaps up.
that's the first time that's happened. I got
Landing
something wrong with my left
Takeoff
flap.
flaps. Flaps up.
Huh.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
That is...
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up. Takeoff flaps.
No, there's nothing there.
Flaps up.
Oh well. No flaps. No flaps. I gotta figure that out. It was working fine. The other two, I took the wing off last night and put it on this morning. So maybe there's something, maybe I gotta check the connector. Maybe a strand of glue or something is covering up for the... I don't really like taking the wing off, but I figured I'd try it. Because sometimes getting that prop, the prop to tighten is kind of, I have to kind of hold the motor with a pair of channel locks to tighten the prop nut on the adapter.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Alright, so I'm kind of discovering that, I mean, this plane will stall, but not in gusty winds. Need a pretty steady wind. I mean, to be honest with you, I haven't really, other than that one morning at the park where I failed miserably, like that failure there. Alright, let's see if we can roll it in for a landing.
Timer stop.
Maintain
Timer
speed.
start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop.
Golly. Holy cow.
Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps. Takeoff flaps. Flaps
Huh.
up.
That's got me puzzled for sure. Oh well, let's get another flight and go around here.
Timer start.
Make sure the wings will stay on. Yeah, then one of the little clip for the wing support on the fuselage. I had it sitting on top of my radio case, and when I went to put it on, the stupid thing was gone. So I don't know where it walked off to.
Timer start.
In the frame of about 20 minutes, but it sure did.
Timer stop. Timer start.
Sounds like something's out of balance on the front. I know that little spinner, I'm going to have to probably ditch it because it's chewed up a little bit from the pavement. I'll have to double check the balance of the prop. That's what I didn't do. Because I know the other prop, it was pretty good right out of the box. Ooh, man, the wind. Another landing in.
Timer stop. Timer start. Time remaining 3 minutes. Timer stop.
That was a better landing there. That was better. It's a big plane. I gotta remember it's a big plane and roll it. Got a sticker in my tire. Well, let's see. I still got time.
Timer stop.
Where's the wind? It's kind of, I don't know, man. The winds are kind of all over the place.
Timer start.
If they're up there, they're pretty strong. I'd go fly at the beach, but they got a big tournament. Besides, this thing's too big for a park. Ooh, man, the winds, holy cow. Ah.
Timer stop. Timer start.
Yeah, the only flying I've been doing is in my yard, and it's been with the little planes.
Timer stop.
Alright, so the wind's a crosswind. Let's see if we can bring her down. Up that speed, a little speed. More speed, more speed, more speed. There, not bad. For a crosswind, I'll take that. Wasn't bad. Didn't damage the tail wheel. Alright, let's stop. Let's see how hot the ESC is. Not very hot at all. Woohoo! Yeah, because with the original 60 amp ESC, I wouldn't have been able to touch it. I could touch it with the top of my thumb, and it didn't. It just barely felt warm. Well, let's see if we can get another. If we can not land it again. You figure one of these days you would hit. You know, I mean, sometimes landing is harder than hitting a slot machine somewhere. Yeah, I don't like. Yeah. Alright, let's get the landing in. But I'm so far pretty happy. Of course, you can't ever count your chickens till you get your plane in the car. Watch for stalls. Could really use some flaps.
Timer stop.
Oh man, just a little bouncy bounce. Yeah, well. I'll say one thing, man. The landing gear, it ripped clear off. You'll see in the videos, the build video, post-crash. That is one tough landing gear, I'm telling you that right now. Look at all the stickers I got in the tires. Well, there you go, the Maiden after the crash. And the one flap, I'm sure that's just, I don't know. Like I said, they were working, everything was working all the other times I had it set up. But, hoo 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 hoo.